Hey guys, we're live and back again at 9:59. We are running a mini for Brandon's Sandcrawler. Always a hit. That looks like a nice one as well. I got 40 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Looks like top 3 win spots in the main on this one. I'm going to paste them in, there they are, 1 through 40. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 10. We're good. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Kenneth in the top spot for our first round and second. Lucas 3. Gene 4. Lucas again on top for 5. Alex 6. Eric 7. Dan takes round 8. Kenneth again on top for round 9. And our winners are Ryan, Eric, and Ryan. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code. A lot of Q's in this one. EQQQPN. What are the odds of that? There they are. I'm done. At 10 o'clock Eastern Time in Pennsylvania. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.